Hashtag cancel wash and goes. Hey y'all, it's your girl Daut, and I'm back here to tell y'all something because I gotta get something off my chest, and I'm here full energy, full anger to tell y'all, say what I got to say. I don't like wash and goes, period. Some of y'all canceling Chris Brown, some of y'all canceling Eco Styler, some of y'all canceling, I don't know, all kind of stuff, but I'm canceling, me, Daut, I'm canceling wash and goes. They canceled. We're not doing them. We don't do wash and goes out here because they never come out right. They never come out right. They're the devil. They never do me right. I ain't never had a good wash and go. Okay, I had that one good wash and go, but that took a whole bunch of a lot, and I don't even know why it came out right, because I really just feel like it was luck. And I don't got time for lucky hairstyles. I need hairstyles that work. I need consistency. Everybody need a little consistency in their life. That's all they looking for. I know y'all just like, well, Daut, it's you doing something wrong. No, I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm doing everything I was supposed to do. I got the leave-in, I got the cream, I got the gel. I tried the oil, I tried it without the leave-in, I tried it without the gel, I tried it without the cream, I tried it with everything. I tried it with a mousse, I tried it with everything. Nothing works. Nothing works. So they're canceled. If you gonna cancel wash and goes with me, drop it in the comments. Hashtag cancel wash and goes. Done. Also pause, let's bring it down a little bit, and first let's direct our attention to these layers I just got. Yes, I know you're like, Daut, how can you do a wash and go video when you don't have a wash and go in? Look, it's not about that. I just came back from the hair salon and I got my hair cut in layers. My hair has absolutely never been layered in my life, so I'm really excited about these and I can't wait to do my hair. But that's why it's blow dried right now, and this is what it looks like. Look at that movement, girl, look. Ooh. Ah! Ah! Look at that. Wow, who is she? I need to know her. Now I got these nice little layers, so y'all stay tuned for the style. So back to the subject at hand though, because maybe it is me. Maybe I am doing something wrong. Maybe it's operator error or something, even though I don't believe that that's the thing. How could me of all people do anything wrong? Anyway, yeah, it can't be me. So I'm gonna talk out through my process. And if you feel like I did something wrong, tell me in the comments. Please drop it below, because help your girl out, because I would love to be able to do wash and goes. I would love it, but I just don't believe in them. I'm not a believer, so make me a believer. Anyway, so first, I really apply my leave-in in like small sections. After I split them into parts, I split them into more parts, apply my leave-in. Then after my leave-in, I put my gel in, you know? And everybody's just like, oh, make sure your hair's all soaking wet and it's gotta be dripping and all that. It be dripping, because I be adding water the whole time. After my leave-in, and after I apply more water, I apply some gel. Small sections of gel, just like I did the small sections of leave-in. And then I wet it some more, make sure it's nice and wet still. Apply my gel, a liberal amount of gel, because I gotta put the gel in there, otherwise it's gonna frizz. It's gonna frizz if I don't use gel. So I put a whole lot of gel in it. And after I put the gel in, I go back, I go through all my sections, and then I air dry. Well, that's not true either. I may air dry, I may diffuse, it doesn't matter. It always comes out awful, and it's always horrible, and they're canceled. I want to know how to do wash and goes. I want to be able to do wash and goes, because ultimately they're easier. Maybe, I guess I'll admit that they seem to be a little bit easier. In my case, maybe not, because I'm really fired with the twists and I'm quick on the knots, but they do seem to be a little bit easier. They're more moisturizing. I feel like they, you know, give you a little bit more growth action because it's moisturized, because you're doing it, you know? But they just don't work for me. We're not cool, we're not friends. So somebody help me mend my relationship with these wash and goes, because I just don't know. So make sure you stay tuned for my next couple videos. The next one, who knows, might be me styling these amazing layers here. Yes, wow. You know, y'all are thebomb.com, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.